Hi everyone, Yorubun Anya. My name is Shraddha and today I'll share my K-pop and K-drama experience with all of you. So let's go. I'm glad that I could share my story with all of you. So it started back in 2015 when I watched a popular K-drama which was released in 2009, which was Boys Over Flowers. I guess everyone started their K-drama journey with Boys Over Flowers. So as me, I also watched Playful Kiss and I got addicted to Gujumpyo uh, and Jungsung Min. Just to understand the subtitles and what they were talking about, I started learning Korean language. And after 5 years, I'm glad that I can understand it. So the first K-pop song which I heard was Likey from Twice and Boom Boom from Momoland, which was very nice songs. I got addicted to them, but due to my degree and my studies, I could not continue with the K-pop and K-drama. So after taking a 4 years break, I started listening to K-pop song as well again, and I first learned about Kill This Love from Blackpink, which was a very catchy song, and recently they have How You Like That song, which is also catchy. So I became a Blink in 2019, and my bias in Blackpink is Lisa because she dances very perfectly and very smoothly. Due to Lisa, there were many ships with her. So with that, I came across Bangtan Sonyeondan, that is BTS. Firstly, I came to across with BTS because of Jungkook, that is our golden maknae, and I came to know that they have inspired many people with their songs. They have also made people accept their faults, their mistakes, everything, and they have inspired many people. I have watched many videos about BTS inspiring people and getting awards as well. So I am glad that I came across BTS because of Blackpink. They both are exceptional, and I can't compare them both as there are many wars between fans, but I like both of them, and I can't discriminate between them. My bias in BTS is Kim Sok Jin, sorry, which is worldwide handsome, and I just love him because of his personality, his looks, his visuals. I love his voice as well. He is a very caring person. He takes care of everybody, and I am quite learning about them. So the old armies which I came across are helping me to learn about the BTS. So Kim Sok Jin is a person that will take care of you no matter what, and the remaining six are my bias wreckers. You just can't hate any one of them. You just have to accept them, as we said that please love us equally. So we can't just hate them as an army. I am a quarantine army, and I am glad that I made BTS because they inspire everybody. So I hope you liked it, and thanks for watching. Bye.